And so for this project, we started with our design. We cut out our molds on our CNC machine. I like to flip on the machine, get it nice and warm before I add the TPU pellets. These are just little rubber pellets. Next, I kind of squish them down to get some air bubbles out of there. Don't forget the gloves. If you do this, please be careful and wear proper protection. So here's our mold, and after some modifications and some cleaning up, it should be ready to go, and look at some good parts here. So we're going to go ahead and clamp each side of the mold down with little clamps here, just to make sure that we don't get any flashing outside of the mold, and so we have some good parts. Here I'm loading the mold into the machine. There's just another vice clamp down there that I hold down, and I get into position and crank it down, and it takes a lot of pressure. Now over to the workbench and taking off the side clamps here. This should be nice and cool enough to remove from the mold. It does take a little bit of effort to open up the mold because it's kind of tight, but it seems like it works out alright. And here it is. This is our first part. Visually it looks pretty good. I'll pull it out here and just show you kind of all the sides of it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's do it again. Let's go ahead and add some more plastic. Crank some plastic into the mold, and repeat the process by removing the clamps. And there's another part. And so looking at the final part, I do see a little bit of flashing on the sides, but I can fix that as I go and trim it off. And so let's go ahead and give it a shot and see if we can pull it through and see if it holds. And yeah, it looks pretty good to me. So now I guess it's time to make a few more and see what we can do. And this is what it used to look like under my desk, and now with the cable organizers, this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.